Hi everyone, I'm Elena and welcome back to this month's exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks brought to you by Advertising is Simple. Today we're checking out Google Stitch AI. It's a new tool from Google that can help create websites and app designs using AI. For this demo, we're going to upload a website's URL and see how Stitch can turn it into an app concept in just a few minutes. So let's jump in. First, head over to Google Stitch AI. You'll need a Google account to log in. For this example, we're going to create an app using our client Keep It Clean's website that we had created. First, paste in the website URL, then add a short prompt telling Stitch what kind of app you want it to create. I'm going to type create a modern cleaning service app with online booking, quote request forms, service pages, customer reviews, and a clean professional design. Then click generate and let Stitch start building the concept. After a few moments, Stitch starts building out the app concept based on the Keep It Clean website and the prompt we entered. You can already see it pulling in inspiration from the business, including the cleaning service layout, the logo, and pictures from the website, and customer-focused sections. You can see that Stitch automatically creates multiple screens for the app. For a cleaning company like this, it generated things like a homepage, book now, services, and customer reviews. This gives a business a quick starting point without needing to design everything manually. One of the cool parts about Stitch is that you can continue refining the design using prompts. I'm going to ask it to add a floor care section with information from the website. Now it gave me a few variations of a floor care section for the app. You can then preview your app to see how it will appear on a phone, tablet, and website. Once you're happy with how your app looks, you can export it or share it. And that's a wrap on introducing you to Google Stitch AI. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for next month's exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks.